Welcome to AutoDataIQ, your AI-powered platform for smarter vehicle management, maintenance tracking, and real-time service collaboration. Let's walk through how to subscribe and activate your plan. From your dashboard, click Upgrade Plan to open the pricing page. You'll see three options: Lite, Pro, and Enterprise, each designed to meet the needs of everyday drivers, mobile techs, and full-service teams. Lite, for $8 per month, is ideal for personal use. You can track unlimited vehicles and trips, get smart maintenance alerts, log expenses, view market value, and securely share records with your mechanic using ViaCare. Pro, at $15 per month, includes everything in Lite, plus auto-created service records, photo uploads, one-click quotes, built-in chat, customizable service intervals, and a free client portal for each customer. Need more control? Enterprise unlocks team access, full analytics, advanced automation, multi-account support, and custom technician views, all for $29 per month. When you're ready, click Subscribe under your preferred plan. This takes you to our secure checkout page, powered by Stripe. Here, you'll enter your email address, card information, and agree to our terms and privacy policy. Once complete, Stripe will securely process your payment. You'll then be redirected to a short setup screen where you'll enter your company or service name and confirm your email for account setup. Within a few minutes, you'll receive an email to set your password. Watch the next video to learn how to log in and start using your plan on the mobile app.